Are you still contemplating why doing a master's degree with CUBS is the right choice for you? I'm Mairead O'Flynn from Cork University Business School, and I'm here to tell you 6 reasons why doing a master's degree with CUBS will accelerate your career. Number 1, increased earning potential. Starting salaries for a master's qualification can be up to 10% higher than those with only a bachelor's degree. The CSO figures show that the first 10 years of your career, people with a master's earn on average €65,000 more. So it makes financial sense. Number 2, deep dive into a specialisation. Whether your passion lies in finance, human resources, marketing, economics, business technology, or even food business, a master's degree allows you to deep dive into your chosen area, become an expert in your field, which can set you apart for employers seeking top talent. Number 3, expand your network. One of the most invaluable benefits of pursuing a master's is the opportunity to network. Not just with the like-minded classmates from across the globe that you'll meet and the amazing academic faculty, but it's the industry professionals that you meet through guest speakers, placement and work projects. This plays a pivotal role in opening doors to new opportunities, collaborations and mentorship. Number 4, gain a competitive edge. In today's dynamic job market, where competition is fierce, having a master's degree can give you a distinct advantage. Employers often prioritise candidates with advanced qualifications, seeing them as proactive, committed, and capable of hitting the ground running when tackling complex challenges. Number 5, accelerate your career. A postgraduate qualification gives you advanced skills, knowledge, and credibility that you need to progress rapidly in your career path. Whether you're aiming for leadership roles, becoming an entrepreneur, or a specialised position, a master's degree can propel your career forward. Number 6, unlock doors to academia and teaching. For those of you who want to inspire future generations through a career in academia, a master's degree lays the foundation for further academic pursuits such as doctoral studies or research opportunities. On top of all that, you get to study here in the beautiful UCC campus in the heart of Cork.